Okay, Formula S Barracuda fans, here's an update video. Just got this particular car back. It has been accepted to the Lake Mirror Concours d'Elegance in Lakeland, Florida. This car is a 100% stock restoration done by the former owner who passed away. I picked this car up on an estate sale, came out of Denver, and it's a clean, all original panel car. The 340 in it is numbers match. The paint code on this is Ember Gold, which is code J for 1968. So a very brilliant color, very nicely done. The car presents well, and as you can hear, it's built well. The red stripe across the center signifies that it was a spring special package. And this is one of the three body styles. As you know, there's a fastback, there's a convertible, and this is the coupe, or what they call the notchback. The back glass is concave or convex, or I'm not sure of the word for it, shape, as you can see. Yep. And well, in any event, it definitely passed the judge's acceptance to the Concours d'Elegance. And the reason being is look at the fine details. And here's the story on it. I was going to take those wheels off and paint them gold to match the car, like what you would normally see. But then the car originally came with full-size wheel covers. So actually, from the factory, the wheels would be black. Somebody switched over to poverty caps and did not paint the wheels. So I took a look at it, and probably what I'm going to do is leave the wheels black. Because that's the way it came from the factory. Although it had full wheel covers on it, it only has the dog dish now. So I guess that's the way it's going to stay for now. I can always paint it gold later, but I don't think it really matters a whole hell of a lot. But it just depends on what you like aesthetically. So let's have a look at this engine. This 340 runs very, very, very well. And it's also prepared so very well. And here's where the rubber meets the road. 52 is 340, 5 is automatic, 38 is your red line tires and wheels. July 16th. This is a very, very early car. It is the 5,822nd car off the line for 68. It's a very early 340. And this is one of the very earliest 340 engines that you're going to find. Right up in the first 5,000. Oh, let's give it a blip. And there you have it, Plymouth Barracuda fans. The hows and the whys. And you're looking at one of 599 Formula S Barracuda coupes made for 68. First year of the 340 and first year of real small block Mopar performance. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you very much.